Let me ask you a question. How did you spend most of your time during the lockdown? For many of us, the answer is simple. On our phones, we spent hours scrolling through Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, memes, trends, and endless social media feeds. At first, it felt harmless. We kept telling ourselves just 5 more minutes. But those 5 minutes slowly became hours. And this habit has a name: doom scrolling. Doom scrolling, also known as doom surfing or compulsive scrolling, is the habit of endlessly scrolling through the internet and consuming negative and addictive online content. You open your phone just for a minute, but suddenly get trapped in an endless cycle of scrolling and completely lose the track of time. Today, this addiction is spreading rapidly among the millennials, the Gen Z, and especially the Gen Alpha. According to American Psychological Association, excessive consumption of short form content such as Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts have really serious effects on our mental health as well as our physical health. And honestly, I know this because I was a doom scroller too. Last year, during my exams, I decided to take a 5-minute break after studying. I opened Instagram Reels. One funny video became another. Then came gaming clips, motivational videos, inspirational videos, tragic stories, random news, and endless internet recommendations. And when I finally looked at the clock, I realized 2 hours had passed. But the worst part was not even the lost time. When I sat back down to study, I could not focus anymore. My brain kept craving more stimulation. The textbook suddenly felt boring as compared to the fast moving reels. I reread the same page again and again, but nothing stayed in my mind. And that night, I realized something truly frightening. Doom scrolling does not just waste our time, it trains our brains to become distracted. And science supports this. According to Data Reportal, an average person now spends around 6 hours and 37 minutes online every single day, much of it on social media and short form content. And the effects go far beyond eyesight. Doom scrolling affects our focus, creativity, attention span, problem solving skills, our sleep schedule, and even our mental health. It causes something called as cognitive fatigue, which means mental exhaustion caused due to constant information overload. It can also increase stress, anxiety, loneliness, and emotional burnout. Some common signs of doom scrolling are losing track of time after saying just one more reel, feeling mentally tired after scrolling, lack of focus while studying or working, sleep problems, and difficulty in putting your phone away. Now let's talk about the consequences. First, it wastes our time. Hours disappear without us realizing it. Second, it weakens concentration. Our brains become dependent on fast moving stimulation, making deep thinking and studying harder. Third, it damages sleep schedule because many people scroll late into the night. And finally, instead of reducing stress, doom scrolling actually increases stress, anxiety, and mental exhaustion. It slowly becomes an addiction, a habit where we repeatedly check reels and notifications almost without control. So now the real question is, how do we stop this? The solution is not deleting technology, and it is definitely not becoming a monk. The solution is learning how to control the technology before it controls us. We need discipline, awareness, and self control. Instead of doom scrolling, we should practice bloom scrolling, which means consuming content which teaches us inspires us, motivates us, and helps us grow. Instead of just draining our minds, we should set screen time limits, connect more to real people, spend more time in the nature, avoid phones before sleep, and put our phones away while studying or working. Because the biggest battle today is not between humans and technology, it is between attention and distraction. So, the next time you pick up your phone to scroll, just remember this: doom scrolling starts with a swipe, but slowly steals the time, the peace, and the focus which you will never get back. Thank you.